This is a 2006 Honda Pilot EXL, and when I got this, didn't have the cigarette lighter plug, so I got the replacement parts from Honda. That's the lighter portion, and then this is the one that secures it back. I don't know if it's still inside, but we were able to fish it out. But I'm gonna have to remove this. I have to remove all these panels. I think to start with, you gently tuck on these panels here. They're just with the clips and on both sides, and then remove the screw here and over there, this one and that one, and then that should just slightly pop up. You should be able to remove these two panels, and then I should be able to get to the screws that hold it. I think that's that piece. Just need to pull it out, secure it with the new one, and then put it back together. I just showed you how to remove this. It's the same procedure. I need both the hands for this. Pull it up, and then it should pop off. Removed both the screws. They're over there. And then as it came up slightly, and you can see there's a slight gap there. Just a panel pry tool. Be able to pop it off. I need both the hands. So I'm going to do that and this, and then we'll take a look. I was able to use the panel pry tool to just gently push it away, and it's off. There we go. I think there's this clip that came off, so I'm going to find it and put it back. And these are the screws, two on this side, two on this side. On this side. Now we have the panel off. Should be able to get these screws easily. One. Two. That's the last one. Off. There we go. I need both the hands for this. I have the new one in. I actually found this is already there in, so I applied a little bit of blue thread locker and secured it, and looks good. Now it's time to put it back together. They snap back into place. There we go. Just secure the screws and reverse this disassembly. This panel, two panels, and then secure these screws and put the end panels here, and that's it. Now we have a functioning 12-volt lighter socket.